Okay, this is on the Newitt job, number 53193. We are doing the basement furnace. And so we're replacing this furnace with another 90% furnace. We're replacing the coil. We're replacing the AC with the heat pump. We are also adding a steam humidifier. Okay, so the new furnace will go to the left 2 inches and drew on the floor right there. I also drew the one side of the filter box right there. You have to move this over, but new furnace should come, drop should come right close to this. And the other side should come right tight close to this. So anyway, duct just as it shows. Set the furnace on a 9-inch base. Offset fitting in the canvas. Give you a cut line right there. We will add a 45-degree starting collar triangle right there, and one on the side there. Give you a cut line right here for the return, but return just as it shows. Okay, fit on the duct. Okay, so combustion air is okay, it's right there. On the vent, we're going to tie onto the existing 3-inch PVC flues. Okay, the gas just as it shows. From the caulk, you're going to add a piece with your T and drip leg, flex, 12-inch into the furnace. So we'll go over the AC in a minute. The drain just to the floor right there. Thermostat, you're getting an S30 thermostat. Okay, you will be putting in a steam humidifier on this job. So I'll give you a 3/4 inch shark bite by 1/4 inch shut off. You have your hard water right here, and you have your other water here. So the steam, it says you're supposed to take it off the hard water, but get it there. They do want the steam humidifier mounted in this indented area of the wall. That looks like a picture should be there. So mount it there, and that'll give them a little bit more room to get their water heaters out if they needed. Okay, that drain will just go right down to the floor. Okay, so we're going to need on that, the power will get okay, so let me back up. Before you actually mount the humidifier, make sure that your hose is long enough to reach up here. I can't think of exactly how long those hoses are, but just make sure it's going to reach there. Anyway, so you will need a disconnect for this humidifier, and we'll need to put a 25 amp breaker in the panel. So the panel is in this room over here, so we can get a wire there, but we're going to wire from here. Electrician will do this. Into this room, and how we're going to get it, may need to cut some sheetrock or so to get it here, because we've also got to run something else for the air conditioner. But anyway, so need to come into this breaker panel for that steam humidifier. To get it there, this is a home line panel. We'll put in 2 piggyback breakers, 20 amp piggyback breakers, and then we will put in a 25 amp double pole home line breaker for the humidifier. I did leave this one open just because I know this is the house where they need another circuit outside for the sprinkler. So just know that's why I gave you 2 piggybacks, so they have another circuit here for that if needed. Okay. Okay, on the air conditioner, we have the AC breakers here. They're both 30 amp. One of them we already put a 20 amp breaker outside in a disconnect. And we've already added a new disconnect for the other one. But problem is, our minimum circuit amps is 33. So we need number 8 Romex with a 50 amp breaker. So we're gonna have to pull a new wire to, I don't know what breaker it is, but to one of those breakers that do the AC. And I have some suggestions. And also I will talk to them about, you know, that we need to cut some sheetrock in here to make this work. But in the furnace room, we do have this combustion air right here. And I will go outside and show you where that is. So I figure we can run a number 8 wire through there. And let's go outside and look at the AC. Okay, thermostat is getting an S30, by the way, if I didn't say that. Okay. But this is a job that has, Rustin's already been here and he moved both disconnects. But this one that feeds this AC only is number 10 wire. So we need to pull number 8 wire to it. But also off this, they had a sprinkler box and an outlet and other stuff coming off of here that's kind of illegal. So that's why I left that other circuit open. The homeowners, I did tell them about that, and they wanted options from Rustin and have him tell them what they need to do to make all that legal. But it's probably going to be easier now that we have to pull a new wire for ours. But anyway, you can see our combustion air grill right here. Walk over there and you may not be able to see it. But, alright, we have combustion air right here. So, we do know we can get into the furnace room right there. So I figure I can take the grill off and kind of make a hole beside it and fish our wire and put an LB and run 3/4 inch EMT, maybe at the cement line or wherever down here. And I'll give 20 feet of that and it should come, well, I'll get 30. That way you can bend up if you need to. But you should be able to run with that over to this disconnect. Okay? And our other air conditioner is, you know, it's going to be big. It's a big one, so you're going to have to put it over as far as you can, but it's still, you're not going to have 2 feet in between both of them no matter what. And Let's see, what else? I think that's it.